You ever go to your favorite big auto parts house for one of these or this, and then you end up buying one of these or even that, and then you get home and it don't fit and you think, has to be a better way to do this. Well, there is. Now, cataloging the world's auto parts is a big job, and the auto parts houses do a really good job of it. But sometimes, especially with the older rigs like these 720s, they don't quite get it right. I know for a fact many of them list only D21s being sold in 86, but I have a 720 model, an 86 on the registration right here. Now, well, they try their best. Sometimes you go in and they might just sell you the wrong thing. So you can do a little bit of legwork on your end before you head down there. Make sure you get the right part. We're going to be looking for this here coolant hose. If you can get a part number before you head into the auto parts house, it saves a lot of work on your end and theirs. So we're going to head to my favorite part number catalog, Rock Auto. Pull up our vehicle. Now you'll notice in 86 they list 720s and D21s. We're looking for an upper radiator hose, so we're going to check out the cooling section. There I see an upper radiator hose. Now you notice there's several reputable brands here. I know for a fact I have a parts house in town that sells the Gates brand, so I'm going to give that one a go first. You see a part number right here listed, and we can expand it to take a better look at the photo. That looks exactly like the unit I've got in my hand here, and also on this rig. So I'm going to take that part number, and I'm just going to Google it. Now I see a O'Reilly's listing, Amazon, probably could 2-day ship it. Oh, even eBay and Walmart. But I see an O'Reilly's listing here jumping out on me. Got one of those downtown. Now you'll notice there's no picture on the O'Reilly's website. That's okay because I pulled one off the other Rock Auto. Now when I go down to my compatibility listings here, it does list my vehicle. Now even if it didn't, you pulled it up by a Gates part number, which you can assume is good. Now, I always like to give the parts house a call before I head down there. Give them a heads up I'm coming. Maybe they can pull it off the shelf for me. Save a little time on my end. Now, it's not always possible to just pull the old unit off, take down there and take a look. Maybe you need to drive the rig down there to go pick up the part. So, you give them a part number. Works better for both of you. Go see your friendly parts guy. He probably already set it up for you. They're really good about that. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you next time.